Imagine the thrill of going from mastering the art of butchery to navigating the complexities of cloud computing, all in one competition. This is exactly the challenge facing 5 talented students and apprentices from Wicklow, who are gearing up to showcase their skills on a national platform at WorldSkills Ireland, taking place at the RDS Simmons Court from September 17 to 19. This live event will see these young professionals compete against the best in the country, putting their expertise and knowledge to the ultimate test. Over the course of 3 action-packed days, Wicklow's representatives, Tommy Chen in cloud computing, Tom Farrelly and Ecaterina Ghilenschi in craft butchery, and Petra O'Flaherty in architectural stonemasonry, and Paul Quinn in additive manufacturing, will face off against more than 180 finalists. These competitors come from a wide array of skill-based trades, each demonstrating precision, creativity, and technical know-how under intense time constraints. WorldSkills Ireland is much more than just a competition. It's a dynamic platform dedicated to highlighting the value of skills, apprenticeships, and career opportunities for young people. This year, the event expects to welcome over 30,000 senior-level secondary students from upwards of 300 schools across Ireland. For many attendees, it's a chance to explore exciting career paths that don't necessarily involve the traditional university route, opening their eyes to hands-on professions that are both rewarding and future-focused. But here's where it gets even more engaging. The event isn't just about watching competitions. Visitors can dive into interactive try-a-skill zones, experience cutting-edge virtual reality demonstrations, attend insightful talks from industry experts, and witness live demonstrations across a variety of trades and technical fields. Plus, numerous companies will be on-site, actively recruiting and offering real workplace opportunities. Ray English, chair of WorldSkills Ireland, shared his thoughts on the announcement of the finalists. WorldSkills Ireland is a true celebration of talent and serves as a crucial platform for promoting apprenticeships and skills-based career paths. This year, competitors from all over the country will participate in 35 different skill areas, each performing to exacting standards and under significant time pressure. It's an incredible chance for them to showcase their abilities and, for some, to take the next step toward representing Ireland on the global stage. He continued, this event opens doors for students to discover exciting alternatives to the traditional academic journey. It shines a spotlight on the diverse training and apprenticeship options available and the fulfilling careers they can lead to. And this is the part most people miss. While university remains a popular choice, events like WorldSkills Ireland challenge the notion that it's the only path to success. Could embracing skills-based careers be the key to addressing skills shortages and boosting Ireland's economy? What do you think? Should more young people consider apprenticeships and trades as viable, prestigious options? Share your thoughts and join the conversation below.